Okay, to start this DIY, we'll need 3 of these items from Dollar Tree. This vase from Dollar Tree, and then this smaller vase from Dollar Tree, and a candlestick holder. Okay, the first thing you want to do is remove these labels. And it's going to require a little bit of water, so I'm going to remove the labels from both of these products and then come back. I've cleaned the inside and the outside of both glasses. And what I'm going to do is use a little bit of Gorilla Glue and hot glue to glue this on the inside. And I want this to be right in the center of the larger vase. First, I put Gorilla Glue around the base and then put some hot glue right in the center of the base. Then I carefully place the smaller vase inside the larger vase. You just want to turn it to make sure it's dead in the center. Alright, so once you get your vase right in the center, press down until the hot glue sets up. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add some glue to the candle holder as well. And again, I'm using my Gorilla Clear Glue. You can add some hot glue to this as well, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to sit this directly in the center. So I'm going to let this dry overnight. Come back and decorate it. Okay, I'm back and my vase is completely dry. Next, I'll decorate it with some bling, but as you can see, it's really pretty just the way it is. Alright, so the next thing I want to do, bling around the top. And I'm going to use just 2 rows because it's at an angle and it's kind of hard to add more than 2 rows at a time. I noticed a blemish on the glass, so this is where I'll start adding my bling. So I'm going to take my hot glue, put a small bead on there just to get it started. Now I'll add a little Dollar Tree Fix-All glue. Adding some Fix-All. Now you might notice that the bling starts to buckle in certain places. Just add a little bit of hot glue and hold it down in place until the hot glue sets up. Just continue to do this until you go all the way around. Just like that. Now I'll glue 2 rows of bling around the base as well. I also put some bling around the neck of the candlestick holder as well. And there you have it. My candlestick holder is completely done. Alright, so now I'll clean up the glue webs and come back and give you a couple of ideas on how to use this. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see I have 2 candle holders, and I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that you can decorate it. First, I'll take a regular tea light and drop it right in the center, just like that. And I have some of the Dollar Tree acrylic diamonds. I have 5 packs in total. I've already opened 4 packs. And what I want to do is just put this on the outside of the inside glass. So I'm going to continue to fill this up and then come back. Now I'm on my 5th pack of the gems. And I think I'll end up using 6 bags in all because I want to fill it all the way to the top of the smaller vase. But if you don't want to fill yours to the top, then just add the amount of gems that you want. Now you don't want it to go any taller than the middle glass. Honestly, I would wait until I'm done adding the diamonds inside before I put my tea light in. Depending on your preference, you can use a LED tea light or a regular tea light. Now I'll light the tea light to show you how it glows. And I'll put this in a darker room so you can see how it really glows. Now honestly, I could go on and on with so many different ways to show you how to decorate this new candle holder. This is the second one that I made. Here I'm just going to use some of these silver branches that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I simply cut them apart and then place them on the outside of the middle glass to give it a more wintry look. You could also add some white glitter to simulate snow at the bottom of the branches, or even some of the Dollar Tree fake snow. I continued to add branches until I was satisfied with how it looked. Okay, and there you have it. By simply adding some branches, I gave it a whole new look. And like I said, there's so many different ways that you can decorate these candle holders. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. Okay everyone, this completes my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, share, and comment. Also, in the last video, I mentioned that I'd be choosing some winners from my comments. Please go back to my previous video to see if you're one of my 4 gift card winners. If you are one of my winners, I'll comment under your comment announcing you as a winner and give you instructions on how to receive your prize. Okay everyone, I hope to see you all in the next video.